In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Razer mouse to laptop. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily set up and use your Razer mouse on your laptop. You will be able to connect it in one of two main ways. So, for basically every single Razer mouse out there, you will be able to do a wired connection. So you will be able to plug one end of the USB cable into the mouse and another one into the USB port on your laptop. Alternatively, if your mouse can only be used while wired, you will just have it already plugged in. So you just have to plug the USB into the actual laptop USB port. And once this is done, it is going to be detected. Now, alternatively, some Razer mounts will have the wireless dongle. All that you have to do instead is plug the wireless dongle, and once you flip the mouse over and you put it into wireless mode, you are now going to be able to use the mouse wirelessly. So all that you have to do is plug in the dongle, and the dongle will detect the mouse once you switch it into the powered on mode. So what you can do now is go over to the Razer website, and in here, if you hover over PC, you will be able to find software, and under software, you can download Razer Synapse. This is where you will be able to set up all of your Razer peripherals. So you will be able to change stuff like the polling rate, the DPI, customize the RGB lighting, and so on. This is optional, keep that in mind, but it is highly recommended. You can let this program run on the background, but even after you uninstall it, you can save all of the settings into the onboard memory on your Razer mouse. So consider downloading this to set it up, but it is optional. As long as you plug the wireless dongle or the mouse itself into one of the available USB ports on your laptop, you will be good to go. If it doesn't work right away, try using a different USB port, restarting the computer, downloading Razer Synapse if you haven't already, and make sure that it has enough battery. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Razer mouse to laptop. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.